Welcome to Savage Simplicity Shortcuts. Bite-sized episodes packed with smart, actionable strategies to help you simplify your life. Let's get into today's shortcut and make things simpler one step at a time. In today's episode, I'm sharing how I used the 5S method, a technique I learned at work but that I also use at home, to bring order to our chaotic pandemic homeschool setup. My student? A 6-year-old first grader. My tools, Legos, a little structure, and a lot of love. Let's dive into this shortcut that proves even kids can learn to simplify. This was my 6-year-old in 2020. When the pandemic hit and school went virtual, everything felt upside down. My 6-year-old was suddenly learning from home, and we needed a system. That's when I turned to something that I use at work all the time called the 5S method. And guess what? It was so simple, even my 6-year-old could do it. We started with preparation. I just didn't explain 5S, I modeled it. I showed her how I stay organized, talked through each step, and we made it feel like a game. For sort, we used Legos. Together, we sorted out the broken, dirty, or mismatched ones. Those were marked as bad Legos, and the rest are building blocks for learning. Next was set in order. She decided how her Legos should be organized, by color, size, or shape. The same idea applied to her school supplies. Everything needed a home. Shine was about cleaning and organizing her school workspace every day after school was done. We talked about why it matters. When things are clean, you can spot when something's off, like if you're missing something. Standardize is all about building good habits. So we made a checklist together, which was super simple, and we used it to check the space at the end of every school day. And then for sustain, we made it fun. After a week of success, she earned an ice cream party, and every day she nailed her routine, a high five and a big hug. 5S helped us bring a little structure to our pandemic chaos and a lot of joy. And hey, if my 6-year-old can do it, so can you. That's it for today's shortcut. Proof that a small shift can lead to big impact. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend, subscribe for more, and check out our storyteller episodes for deeper, more personal conversations with women designing lives that work for them. Want to be a guest or suggest a shortcut? Check us out on Spotify or at the YouTube community. And we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it savage.